This here is my wall-mounted mailbox, and it broke a few weeks ago, and I did a video on how to repair it. Now, in that video, I don't think I explained myself as well as I could have on the procedure that I used, because I had to come up with a novel idea how to secure the front plate and the back plate together to keep it firm while the glue dried. I couldn't Google anything, so I had to come up with an idea on my own. Here is inside the mailbox after the glue's hardened and dried, and you can see that the glue here has spilt out a little bit, but that's okay. You can't see that from the outside. And originally, while I was explaining the makings of the mailbox, the outside plates are stainless steel, and the inside is made of galvanized steel, and I think I said it was aluminium in the original video, so I wanted to correct that. Here's the front plate. Just got to post it on there because I don't want to give away my address. And as you can see, it's fitted quite nicely, and the glue's dried great, and it's as strong as ever. Got a little bit of glue on here, but we can sort that out. That can easily be fixed up with turpentine. So, in recapping, I wanted to make a part 2 to my video box repair on about the internal bit being galvanized steel and not aluminium, and also how I secured the front and the back together with using the ratchet, by pulling it together with the 2 pieces of timber. So, and that kept it really tight, and I kept it there for 48 hours to make sure the glue really did take hold. I used liquid nails. It was all pretty easy to do. And finally, if you wanted to take I'll have the link up there to my previous video, the part 1 of it, if you want to see that all coming together, and also if you want to see how not to make an intro to a video, have a look at that one. I really stuffed it up. It was pretty poor, but I did what I could. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate all your time. See you in the next video.